Let's fill out the South Carolina cat bill of sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling a cat in your state, here's what you need to know. First, you'll need to provide a health certificate at the time of sale. This certificate must state that your cat has received an infectious disease inoculation, and the timing matters. For cats under 6 months old, that inoculation must have happened within the previous 14 days. For cats 6 months or older, it must have happened within the previous 90 days. Along with that, you must provide proof of vaccination to the buyer at the time of sale. You also need to give the buyer a written copy of the election of options. This document outlines the buyer's rights, so don't skip this step. Now, here's what happens if a health issue comes up after the sale. If the cat shows signs of illness within 14 days of the sale and delivery, the buyer has the right to return the animal and receive a full refund of the purchase price, including sales tax. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.